Okay, this is episode 9 of our Turbo Dingo build. This is really bringing the whole build together. We're bringing the front, the back together with that door skin. So get on board and watch this video. Like and subscribe if you like it. Out. All right, in the last video, you saw us deliberating on how we're going to do the door skin. Now you're watching us, Dave and I, putting this door skin together, doing a quick iteration prototype, and then we start to fit it up. So this is going to be ready for fiberglassing now.
What are you working out now then?
All right, so look how ugly this looks.
Hang on.
This is the door skin, okay? That's that extension that we took off the guard.
Oh yeah.
That's the skin being trimmed. Now we'll put these pieces on here, we've waxed it. And what we're going to do is we're going to fiberglass this now. And obviously there's going to be bob work and everything, but this is how we're prototyping, yeah? This is a quick iteration prototype, no stuffing around. How long's it been? 20 minutes since we cut the door skin off, okay? What, an hour?
Whatever.
Why are you making eyes like that, man? Whatever it is. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to fiberglass this before lunch. So then after lunch we can come back and do a test and see what it sits like. So the trick here, right? Let's say.
He doesn't have no trick.
No, I know the trick. All right, so you tear these edges off, right? Instead of having like a tight finished edge, see like that.
Yeah.
If you tear it like this, when you go to join on there,
They bind together better.
don't finish my sentences for me. You're the cameraman,
Yeah.
all right? It
Oh,
doesn't
right,
bind together better.
Of course it does.
It blends better.
A blend. So,
Okay.
okay. What about the other side?
No, it doesn't matter. You're going to trim that up.
Okay. Right. Don't need
Hey,
this.
you know fiberglass is beautiful, huh? This is so nice on your hands and that.
Yeah.
Like, and at night time when you're just sitting in bed and then you feel the prickles.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
We'll help you get through the day, SpongeBob.
298 frozen patties later.
You on?
Yes, Stanley.
All right, it's not this is not going to be very pretty, yeah? But this is going to get us to the point that we need to be, and we'll just do the body work on it later. But at least it'll get us to that point of we've got an extended door trim that's going to fit, and then we'll trim that back, and then we'll know where to go.
I don't like them big lunches after 30 degrees.
Oh my God, you just ate a full burger, crab stick and half a fish cheese.
I ate half a
and
crab
then you
stick.
go, I'm fasting.
Look, can
and
you
I'm-
get this bloody fucking deep fried crab sticks? Big fat thing. Disgusting.
It's not disgusting. Well, why'd you eat it then?
I didn't. I tried it again for a second time just to have a bite to confirm it was horrible. Thank you very much, but never again. Save your money.
You're ungrateful, dude.
I know. I was
Right,
not supposed
so
to be eating
you
till
can
4
see-
o'clock in the afternoon.
You can see we've got now a skin that we can at least work back with, you know what I mean? So we'll trim this.
And this is the good thing about the, with glass fibre. There's no loss of strength in
You just keep on building it, as long as you prep it properly.
prepping it properly. That's like a good weld, yeah?
It's like one of Davo's wells. That's just the excess resin. So see here, we're only going to use up to here probably somewhere, not even. This side here hardly anything, and over here we're going to use to there. So we're going to trim all of that. Yeah, all this is going to get trimmed. You know what I mean? So look how wrong. That's prototyping. The best way, man. Like,
Even better than Kevlar, eh? Or
don't get me
carbon,
started, man.
eh?
Carbon fibre. Don't get me started. I'm going to do a whole video on carbon fibre. Look at the carbon fibre out there on that car. Tell me about Ferrari F40s and their carbon fibre. If carbon fibre is so good, why do they have to replace the tank every 10 years? Dumb. But anyway, that's another subject. And now we're going to trim it, make it fit. And then obviously we'll have to duplicate that for the other side.
All right, we'll come back and when you're trimming.
So this is all going to have to get trimmed again, and then just clean a little bit of this off, and then we'll reevaluate. And then here we'll go like this. Come down an extra 100 mil. That's the end of the door, yeah? I'll mark it like this, yeah? And then we know that we're not going to go too short. Just cut somewhere there.
I reckon.
Or don't cut anything on the bottom.
Maybe just trim this down here. A little bit of that edge off, but I'll leave it for now. It needs to be extended a bit.
Now, if you made it this far, you must like what you're seeing. You must like the channel. So help us grow. Smash that like button.
Don't drop it. Whoa. Whoa. Looks like a TVR. Lent that door and a...
Big door, isn't it?
Yeah.
And like I said, it did need to be extended so much on that end.
On this end?
Yeah. The guard needs to be extended.
But it's good that we've got this profile. I reckon if we cut that and we extend the guard, we can use this on the guard or not?
Definitely got enough down the bottom.
We've got heaps of them, way too much. Got to trim a lot off there. Fill it through. Let me disconnect that.
Disconnected?
Do you want to take that whole thing off?
Alright, do we?
Ain't a bad design for... No?
Not a bad design.
The wing mirrors for this, the original.
Yeah, there we are.
That'd be right for the car. But
It's too like 230 or something.
huh?
Take that off. It's like 230.
Oh, you want to take it off or not?
Yeah.
Not really. What we want to do, this is too long, yeah?
This end isn't.
No?
It's going to match up to this anyway, so we've got to trim it. But
So then, alright, so then why don't we just put a screw in here at the top, get it in position, and then start trimming this side until we feel comfy. So I'm not holding it flat out, you know what I mean? Oh, what about the top of this? Mark this.
What?
We've got to cut more here. It's hitting here, man. It's got to come off more there. There's got to be a gap. You want a ruler?
Yeah. Like that?
Cerbera, that was it. TBR Cerbera. That's the one with a mega long door, isn't it?
You know, Davo,
Back
have
to-
a look at the Outlaw. That's how long this door will end up being.
Back to cutting. Right, I just heard a bleep, yeah. So we've got.
Yeah, boy. Like, so we've got that
Hang
skin.
on, out of the way. There we go.
You're sort of getting the profile.
Yeah.
The door, we're going to, the way that the MG door works, so you don't hit the guard and stuff, the guard is going to go further forward. So this piece here will get put onto the guards.
Right.
And then the door will be shorter. So the door is not, looks long now, but it's not going to be that long. The door's going to finish somewhere here, isn't it, David?
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh, well, when you open the door,
Yeah, then it will
the
hit.
skin will hit there. It's not-
But I don't mind that. That's not looking too bad. Like obviously the door, see that? It's going right down to the sill, but the door finishes somewhere here.
Yeah.
It'd be good if we could screw. We could. You know what we could do, Dave? We could screw the bottom in a couple sections on the sill, and then just tape on the top. Yeah, because it's got to go. That's right. And then this obviously is being pushed out by this, but this here, I feel like this has to come up a touch, or this goes down a bit.
I think probably a bit of both.
You probably take a little smidge more out of here. That'll let that come up. And then I think what we do is we mark this down here, wherever that wants to go. Maybe we get the measurement off the Outlaw from that door to here.
You want to keep that same profile that's on the guard now?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want it now, you probably use it like the water or something. Something.
You just trace it down.
Get that big.
Yeah. It's got all the glue on this side of the wood, so it's all getting stuck.
How do you know that was the right width?
We don't at the moment, we're just
Doesn't
taking
matter.
a guess at the moment.
That gives you the profile, yeah?
Can we put a mark here as well?
I like that a lot, man. I like it a lot. I am absolutely wrapped how this build's coming along. This Turbo Dingo is gonna be out of control and it's really taking shape. Just you wait. Next episode is epic. So make sure you like, subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to make sure you see the next one on time.